Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you all? Hopefully you all are doing good. So this video is about the revision pack of lab as exam assessment B. In this revision pack it is mentioned that use Scratch Junior app to create the following program. Create a program for sunset. We have to create a program for sunset, and what steps we have to do, those are also mentioned. Number 1 is saying open Scratch Junior, and step number 2 is saying choose a background like this and add sun in the background. We have to choose a background like this and we have to add the sun in background. So let's go to Scratch Junior. Open Scratch Junior, click upon this home icon. Okay, from here click upon this plus sign and it will open a new project for you. Okay, some of you will have this blue character, its name is tick. Some of you will have this character and some of you will have that cat character. So it's perfectly all right. If you have the cat character, that is also fine. If some of you do not have that cat character, you can have this version of Scratch Junior also, and you can use this character as well. So there's nothing to worry. Okay, we will use right now this one, blue tick character. Okay, now what did it say? The program said choose a background like this and add sun in the background. So this is the icon for background. We will click upon it, and here we have many backgrounds. So we are going to find the most relevant background, and this seems like that. It's a park background. We will select this one and click upon this tick button. So we have got this background. Now what do we have to do? We have to add sun character. Go to this plus sign and here we have sun. Select sun and click upon this tick. So sun has come here. So sun has come at a wrong place, so it should not be on the ground and it should not be upon this one character. So we will drag it up to the sky like this. Okay, sun is at correct place now. Let's go back to the revision pack and check what instructions are given there. So here we have an algorithm for sunset. Step 1 is saying start on green flag. Step 2 says move 3 steps down. Step 3 says hide sun, and step 4 says stop program. Now here in the next step it is mentioned here is a Scratch Junior code for the above given program. Step 4 is saying this code does not give the right result. Find the error in code and circle it. So we will just match this algorithm, we will match this algorithm with this code. Let's check it. The first step says start on green flag. Now match, is it starting with green flag? No, it's starting on start on tap. So this is the first error we have found and we have to circle it. So I am circling it like this. If you have a paper, you can circle it with a pencil. Okay, then the next step is saying move 3 steps down. Let's match this one with the algorithm. Move 3 steps down. Yes, it's correct. Then hide sun. This is the block for hiding. It is correct. Then stop program. Here also it is showing stop program. So we have found one error that was here. The program told us that we have to start on green flag, but the code was starting upon start on tab. So this was the error. Now choose the correct block from the following to match with the algorithm. As algorithm told us that we have to start on green flag, so we will select green flag. This is the green flag in option B, and we will circle this. Now it says select the sun and add the correct blocks of code in Scratch Junior. Run the program. After this you have the answer key also. This is same as that question, step number 4, in which we have to circle the code that was giving an error. Because of that we were getting an error. And step 5, in which we have to select the correct code. So this is the same as we have just done. And then we have this one. This one is showing us how we have done the coding for the sunset. So let's go to Scratch Junior. Now important thing over here is that before coding you must select the object, you must select the character for which you have to do the coding. If you select tick, the tick's picture will come over here, and if you start writing the code over here, if you start bringing the codes over here, they will make a program for this tick character. But what we are told in the algorithm, we have to make the algorithm for the sun to set down. So we must select sun. Now the sun is selected, the picture of the sun is coming here. Here we can now select the blocks of code for sunset. Okay. So the first step says start on green flag. Go here, select start on green flag. Then we have move 3 steps down. Now here it is mentioned 1. We will click upon it and make it 3. Then what does the algorithm says? Algorithm says hide sun. So we have to find the hide button. You go to this purple block. When you click upon it, you have many other block codes here. In some of them the man's picture is there, it is growing. In this one the man's picture is shrinking. This is for the growing, increasing the size, and this is for the shrinking. And this one is also here, in which the man's size has shrunk little bit. And this one is pictured in this picture. In this block, the man's this man does not have any color. It is hide block. Fine, this block we use for hiding something. So let's select this block and bring it down to the code. And then stop program. We go to this one and we select from here this stop block. So all the blocks are here. Now we have to run the program. Run the program means we have to click upon this green flag to check whether we will get the correct output or not. Yes, the sun has set down and it is hidden now. Let's do it again. Go to this button. The sun has come back. Now click upon green flag again to check the result. Yes, the sun has set down and it is hidden now. So this was all, and you have to practice this so that you can also try to make the program for sunset. Thank you so much.